Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is very easy and very fantastic world super 3D logo design. So this is very simple but very colorful logo design. So let's begin today. So what we're going to do, I need first of all select all the things and keep to the corner side, just like that, as I done it previous. So we went to the go to the dashboard. See so many tools over here, but I need to just ellipse tool. Go to your click over here and adjust to that. See, I needed to change the color, like solid black color. Go to the close stroke color over here. And we're going to do, I just do go to the direct selection and go to the delete, past the delete, go again over here, and I just do like that, the counter side, and go to the effect, 3D, result, and go to the preview, and go to the wireframe, see, go to the main art, and go to the new symbol. As you can see, the new symbol 1, you need to prepare like that. You need to prepare and add over here. Otherwise, you cannot do like that exactly. So next time I will show you how to prepare like that. Okay, just a little bit bigger like that. I think it's good. A little bit like that. That. I think it's okay. It'll be okay. That's fine. I think okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I go to the object and just expand appearance. Go to the E, just ungroup all the things, ungroup things, and go to the release turns and go select this one, select all the things again, go over here, select that the thing. Okay. Now done much more better. Okay, I think. Okay, I need to just change color to the over here like that. There. That's this one. I think that's okay. And get to the where I go to the select this one and go over the white black combination. See, it's not good, but I need to select this one. Go to the over orange back. See, same to same, but I need to go to the over here. Just change the pattern. See, like that. Same to same. Now just opacity. Select that shadow. We're going to go to the ellipse tool and adjust to it a little bit. It's okay, but I need to go to the gradient tool up here. what is happening. Go that I think it's okay. I think just three exactly like that. It's better. See? No difference between the other one. So these are all the same there. So hit this one and it just skip one. You see, these are all different plastic, pretty world logo design. So thanks for watching.